Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the Wyze Battery Cam Pro, a game changer in the world of home security cameras. This little device promises big things. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Now, if you're like me, you've probably heard of Wyze for their affordable smart home solutions. But this one caught my eye because it's their first fully wireless camera. No cords, no limits on where you can place it. Sounds promising, right? Let's start with what you get out of the box. Opening it up, you'll find the camera itself, compact and surprisingly sturdy. The design is sleek, with a white housing that blends in well anywhere you put it. It reminds me a bit of mentioned similar products like Ring or others, but with its own unique Wyze twist. On the front, you've got these two bright LED spotlights, perfect for illuminating dark corners of your property. The camera lens, capable of recording in 2K resolution, sits just below. Around the back, you'll find a speaker for two-way audio and a port for charging or connecting a solar panel, which is sold separately. Setting up the Battery Cam Pro was surprisingly straightforward. Instead of the usual QR code scan, Wyze uses Bluetooth to pair it with your phone, which honestly felt faster and more intuitive. Within minutes, I had it connected to my Wi-Fi network and ready to go. Now, let's talk features. Despite being battery-powered, this thing is packed. It uses PIR and radar for motion detection, which I found to be pretty accurate during my testing. You can adjust the detection range and set up specific zones, which is great if you want to avoid unnecessary alerts. Video quality is where things get interesting. The Wyze Cam Pro records in 2K, but at 15 frames per second. During still moments, like my kids carving pumpkins, the quality was sharp and clear. However, with motion, especially fast movement, it tended to get a bit pixelated. Keep that in mind depending on what you're using it for. Battery life was impressive. I got several days on a single charge, but Wyze also offers accessories like spare batteries and a solar panel for continuous power. The latter is especially handy if you're placing it in a spot with ample sunlight. So, wrapping it up, what do I think of the Wyze Battery Cam Pro? Well, it's a solid option for anyone looking to add flexible, reliable security to their home without breaking the bank. The setup is easy, the features are robust, and while there are some minor quirks with video quality during motion, it's still a great value for what you get. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and smart home insights. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next one.